Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button so you guys can always be a part of the party. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then thank you so much for tuning back into another video. Okay, you guys, so I am here with my week 2 keto results, and yo, this diet is amazing. I am sold. I am seeing results and I am so excited. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys go and check my previous video where I talk about my week 1 keto results. In my first week of the keto diet, I did lose a total of 6 pounds. So yay, so excited. And yeah, so I'm down 6 pounds so far. And here I am with my 2-week results. And y'all, your girl has hit a mini milestone, a mini one, and I'm so excited to share with you guys that I have lost 10 pounds so far on the keto diet. So that is without any exercise, strictly just changing the way that I eat, and I have lost 10 pounds. So yay! And you guys, this diet is amazing. It's so easy to follow. I don't feel like I'm following a specific diet plan. Like, it feels effortless. Like, it feels like I'm just going about my day, eating my food, and I'm losing weight. And that's what I personally need, because if you guys don't know, I've struggled to lose weight for years. I would always stop and start, lose a little, gain a lot, lose a little, gain a lot. And I was honestly just so sick and tired of it. And I've been hearing a lot about this keto diet. So I said, okay, why not just try it out and see if it works? And so far it has been working, because now I'm down 10 pounds and I haven't done a single workout. All I've done is change the way I eat. And if you guys don't know, the keto diet is pretty much just a low to no carb diet with high fats and high proteins. So you're not eating any pasta, rice, potatoes, anything of that nature. And you're eating more fats and more meats, more chicken, more steak, avocados, eggs. You want to be using oil, you want to be eating cheese, all of that good stuff. So it's great for me because I still get to eat the things that I love, because I do love cheese, I do love chicken, and I can season it however I want to, but I don't have to worry about cutting back on my favorite things. I'm just cutting out the things that I do like but easier to replace or to substitute. So if you guys aren't following me already, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I post a lot of my daily updates and tips and check-ins and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, and that also gives me a chance to follow your weight loss journey. If you are on a weight loss journey and if you are following the keto diet, I can see your results, or we can share results, or we can be accountability partners. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and just send me a DM saying, hey, I'm also doing the keto diet, or whatever the case is, and we can chat and whatever. So getting into some of the things that I eat, I am keeping it simple, you guys. I am following the lazy keto diet, so I'm not very strict. I'm still eating some processed foods and stuff like that, and I'm doing it the lazy way because it's the easiest thing for me. It helps me to keep things nice and simple. So I'm usually eating a lot of eggs and bacon, a lot of cheese. I'm eating a lot of salads, Caesar salads in particular. I'm eating a lot of fruits as well. I'm not eating the most keto-friendly fruits because I am eating a lot of grapes and watermelon, but your keto-friendly fruits are any types of berries. So your strawberries, your blackberries, your blueberries, your raspberries, stuff like that. But I've been eating a lot of grapes and watermelons, salad, lots of veggies, lots of chicken, and stuff of that nature. Mostly eating the same things every single day, to be honest. So if you're somebody who does get bored or tired of foods, you're definitely gonna have to switch it up. But for me, like, I can eat the same thing for a while, as long as it's kind of different a little bit. So I usually do get chicken Caesar salads from different restaurants, because each restaurant kind of does the chicken differently. So at least it provides me a variety when it comes to the chicken part, but I'm still eating the same, Caesar salad. I personally really enjoy Caesar salads. It's not an issue for me to eat that. Eating a lot of eggs. I love eggs. I love bacon. I love bologna. I love hot dogs. All that kind of stuff I'm eating. But yes, I did have to give up the rice. I did have to give up the potatoes, the fries. I had to give up cereal. And I do really love those foods, but I haven't had a serious craving for them since I started this diet, which is good. It's almost like the carbs crave the carbs. When you have carbs, you crave more carbs. And right after I got over that first day, I didn't have any more cravings. That first day was a little bit hard because I was craving it. But now, since I got over that 1 day hump, I feel fine. Like, I could see stuff that I can't eat. I could see pizza and not feel any way. I could see bread and not feel any way. I could see fries and not feel any way. It's easy for me to, not gravitate towards those items now. So I promise you that it gets easier the more that you do it. As soon as you start to get some of those cravings out of your system, trust me, you stop craving them altogether. If you guys do want a detailed video about the things that I eat in a day, then definitely leave me a comment down below and I can make a video talking about what I eat, and I can kind of do it vlog diary style where I show you guys how I make my different meals and what I eat during the day. So if you guys are interested in that, then definitely leave me a comment down below so I can do that video for you. But yes, that is pretty much it. I really wanted to leave this video nice and short and straight to the point. So I just want to check in and let you guys know I am now down 10 pounds on the keto diet, and I'm so excited. I feel good. I still feel motivated, and that's big for me because I tend to lose motivation when I'm starting to get close to the 1 month mark. And for right now, although I'm just at 2 weeks, I feel amazing. I feel great, and I can't wait to see my results in the future. So yes, that is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys next week for my week 3 update. Bye.